In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer USDT from Kucoin exchange to Trust Wallet in very easy steps. And also I will show you that which network you have to select for the small pieces and instant arrival. So let's start our video. So I have to open Kucoin application on my cell phone. So I will transfer USDT from my Kucoin account to Trust Wallet. So to transfer USDT from Kucoin, first you have to come on the assets. On the bottom you can see assets. Press assets. So when you come on the assets, you will see deposit, buy crypto and withdrawal. So from here we will withdraw USDT and we will receive USDT into Trust Wallet. So press withdraw. Now here you have to select that which coin you want to withdraw. Currently I have KCS, USDT and Ethereum. So I will withdraw USDT. So select USDT. After selecting USDT, on the top you can see on-chain and internal. Basically internal used for the Kucoin to Kucoin transfer. If you are transferring from one Kucoin account to another Kucoin account, then you will use internal. Using internal you can use your phone ID, email or UID. Alright, but currently we are transferring from one exchange to another wallet. Then we have to select on-chain. So we have already selected USDT. If you want to change your coin, you can change from here. Currently USDT is okay for me because I want to transfer USDT. After that you have to paste the wallet address and select network. So first we will select network. So we will see that the arrival time and the fees is. Press network. So here you can see there are multiple networks are available. For the ERC20, the fee you have to pay is $12, which is too much. If you see on the TRC20, it is $1.5. For the Solana, it is 0.80. For the KCC, it is 0.50. Similarly, there are many networks are available. So you can use SOL or TRC20. So we will use TRC20, which is most reliable and available on every wallet and exchanges. So we will use TRC20. Press TRC20. Alright, so minimal withdrawal for the TRC20 is 3 USDT and you have to pay $1.5 USDT for the fee. Now here we need TRC20 USDT address. To get the address, you have to come on the Trust Wallet account. Let me open my Trust Wallet. Alright, so on the Trust Wallet, you have to search USDT. So here you can see USDT is available in many networks, just like USDT BNB Smart Chain, BNB Tron, WUSDT, USDT Ethereum, Polygon. So many networks are available. So here you can see Solana is also available, but I will use TRC20 because if I want to transfer from my Trust Wallet to another exchange, so might be Solana is not available. That's why I will use TRC20. So TRC20 is also called Tron network. So we have to select USDT Tron. So when you click on the Tron network, so here you can see on the top USDT TRC20 network. So everything is good here. I have already received and transferred some amount of USDT. Now here we want to receive USDT. So you have to click on the receive and here is your USDT TRC20 network address. Just copy this address and paste this address on the Kucoin exchange. So come on the Kucoin exchange. Now here you can see TRC20 is by default selected. Now here you have to type withdrawal amount, that how much amount you want to transfer. So I want to transfer 5 USDT. So here you can see you will receive 3.5 USDT and fee for this transaction is 1.5 USDT. Press withdraw, confirm withdrawal, switch to SMS verification. Now here I have to give trading password and verification code. Let me insert both codes. So here you can see it says that withdrawal initiated. It will be completed within a minute or maybe sometime couple of minutes. Still you can subscribe this channel for more amazing tutorials like this. So click on later. So here you can see it says processing time is 2 minutes, but usually it completes less than a minute. So here you can see it says your withdrawal successful. Fresh. So here you can see 3.5 USDT transfer is completed. Now let's come on the Trust Wallet account and let's see that our amount is received. Come on the Trust Wallet account, press back button, refresh this. So here you can see today transfer 3.5 USDT has been received. So you can see the date, status, sender address, network fees and confirmation. So everything is perfect here. We have received the USDT from Kucoin exchange to Trust Wallet in few minutes. So I hope you like the video. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. See you in the next video.